VC Unlocked is a place where you would meet people who are amazing from all around the world.
It's a multinational and multicultural crew.
It was great, to be honest. The mix and the blend of where people came from, as far as I was concerned, was really amazing.
My favorite parts of the program has been networking with my classmates and interacting with the 500 staff.
In short, I couldn't ask for a better class. They're diverse, they're strong, they're from all around the world, and you can actually learn from them a lot. I didn't think that we'll actually have that kind of caliber in the course, honestly.
I don't think we are missing any person from any continent in this world.
I don't know how 500 did it in getting the right blend, but having people from various cultures, the Middle East, from Asia, from Latin America, from Africa, from Europe, and even the US, I think it was a really good blend. Because we had, experienced people who have done this before, but at the same time, first-time fund managers. So having all that come together and being really open to sharing experiences and sharing knowledge, I think was really great.
It's important to note that 90% of our class is from outside of the US, and that half, or about half, is women. And I don't think you see that anywhere else in the Valley.
So having a right network of fund managers around the globe that you can partake in deals with, for me, is icing on the cake.
If you want the network, you can find it here.